Hey y'all, hey my journey family. Well, this is the next day, okay? Pony cell still popping. Don't need no Jill. Just got some water. So today we're eating Kits fried chicken party wings. And we got a Kits burger. This burger is the biggest burger in the 414, okay? And we have ice cream butter pecan. Oh yeah, Ote, Ote. All right. So today, y'all, I'm starting another new journey. I'm switching jobs, so I got stuff to do. You know what I'm saying? Mm, 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 mm. Mm. Just right here. But the best chicken is Buffalo Wild Wings. This second best. Yeah. But Popeye's chicken party wings are good too. But they don't have them. It's like a seasonal thing with them. But let me tell y'all, um, Popeyes again still ain't had no chicken. So I had to go to Kids. Oh my goodness. And I got some Sprite. Okay. Oh, you knocked my thing over. What you laughing at? Pick it up.
Because I didn't do that. Look, how this fall for real? Look. That was all the way back there. How that fall?
My table?
Yeah.
I just got my pillows right there.
Oh.
So y'all got the Journey babies in here with me. Finna have a family meeting after I finish this video. So this video is not going to be long. But, you know what? Today is Friday. And, you know, when it's time to transition, to move around on some things, y'all gotta just make choices and do it. That's what I did today. I am switching jobs. A blessing. Because, today, I was finna snap.
I got confidence already.
Okay.
The fuck?
Why
I
you?
said, after this.
I'm doing my video.
No, I said the,
don't do that.
That's what I got. I said the, ASAP.
Oh, the
That's you too?
Oh,
Y'all know, what's her name?
Tokyo
Tokyo Tony said I'm ready to get the ASAP. After this. Can't cuss because she right here.
I thought she said plenty of cuss words,
She
y'all. I'm finna get up. Y'all finna see.
Wings. One?
The devil. You
The
will not touch
devil.
a wing.
The devil.
That's the man Johnny family.
Can I get my
So y'all, if this is your first time watching this video, keep watching. This is just a short
Journey
video.
family, comment down below if when you watch the mukbangs you would like to see the food.
I did show them the food.
Like you gotta
Girl.
set it up.
Let me see you.
No, they can't even.
Oh, let me just talk about the burger, y'all.
All she gotta do is get some camera.
Yeah, she had to get in like a baby. Oh, she got burgers. I didn't know they had wings,
That's good.
I don't like when you
So,
you back.
we got,
Just as you do.
Right there.
okay, ice cream. Now this good. Now this right here. Oh,
Sorry.
girl.
Just want to see.
Kaya knocked down my table. You hit my bed with the chair.
Sorry, man.
You didn't.
I didn't knock your table. Your table
What's
fell.
that?
What table? This one over here.
That one? That good.
Johnny Baby is
No,
never
no.
going to get on camera, y'all.
I never said I didn't.
We uploaded a video,
Let
part
me-
2 of Who Knows Me Best. Wait a minute.
And I would
But-
like to crash in and let me do my mukbang. Because I'll give y'all a better one. I'm going to give y'all my view. Okay. Y'all would love to see my food.
You got to talk to him about school.
I am. Damn. I'm
She
go
got
back.
fries.
So y'all can really see the food.
Give me a fry.
Give y'all a good view. See all that? See? This is what y'all want. When it comes to her mukbang.
Get him a fry.
Y'all ain't getting no fry?
Get him a fry.
No.
Say, give me a fry. The comment below. Give me a fry.
Y'all ain't getting no fry?
Give him a fry.
Y'all ain't getting no fry.
That's one of the Johnny Baby, y'all.
But don't I give y'all a better setup though?
Girl, comment below if you give a better setup and tell her to give y'all some fries.
Cause who wanna say look at the person? Ah!
Here y'all go.
My man want me to do the YouTuber hand.
I don't think they can see. I don't think they can see.
You can't. I don't think y'all can see. You know.
Well, hold on. I don't think they can see.
Oh.
I don't think they can see.
I don't know.
Can y'all see?
Don't do that to them. Just comment.
But this is a better setup when you do a mukbang, ain't it?
I'm barely on the doggone bed.
Do you make a thumbnail like? Here, get your camera, man.
You do my thing.
Get him right
You
there.
do my thing. They go, oh, look at the other Johnny Baby, look. We all eating in my bed, y'all. Chilling.
Finna spill everything. Jesus.
You better not smell nothing in my room.
Pound.
OG, told you, OG. Never ever called you ugly.
What? Okay, but
We,
hey, I got another fry for y'all.
Hey,
Wait, get him some.
Yeah. Fighting over fries and chicken. Don't touch my stuff.
I'm touching my stuff.
like when Betcha said, you don't mess with a black woman's food.
He be forcing it all the time.
Oh, it's wrong.
First off, y'all can be like,
What is too much?
She just copied me.
your
I
fries
was-
serve me juicy.
Oh my god. You really forcing it.
But if this y'all first time watching this video, listen. Hit the subscribe button. Comment below, again, if y'all want her to give y'all some fries. And if
What?
we got a better setup. Also, hit the like button. View the rest of the videos on this channel. Because don't forget, I'm doing a giveaway. Put it down.
No,
Put it down.
eat it.
Now.
Here it go. A fight.
Ah, chicken. I mean, that chicken sandwich.
Kai eat her chicken because she ate your chicken sandwich.
It ain't nothing on the chicken sandwich, so I win.
Why you ate my chicken?
It was about to be a smackdown. Because if I wasn't right here, she would have ran for that chicken wing.
I really wouldn't.
Okay, Mel, that's...
Stop.
Copyright.
So, y'all,
I didn't with the whole
I love you guys, and we're going to end this video. Say hi. Say bye to Journey family, y'all.
Y'all my
They play too much over there.
Bye. Hit the like button.
Okay,
Hit
peace.
the like button, comment, subscribe.